Hidden beneath the soil grows a small white bulb that has changed the course of human history. For more than 5,000 years, garlic has been treasured as food, medicine, and a symbol of strength. Ancient civilizations believed it could protect warriors, heal the sick, and increase endurance. Today, garlic is one of the world's most widely used crops, found in kitchens across nearly every country. But have you ever wondered how this humble plant travels from a tiny clove buried in the earth to millions of dinner tables around the globe? This is the incredible story of garlic. Garlic, Allium sativum, belongs to the allium family, along with onions, leeks, shallots, and chives. Unlike many crops that grow from seeds, garlic is usually grown from individual cloves. Each bulb contains several cloves, and every clove has the potential to grow into a brand new garlic plant. Its unmistakable aroma and rich flavor have made garlic an essential ingredient in cuisines around the world. Whether used fresh, roasted, dried, or powdered, garlic adds depth and character to countless dishes. Beyond the kitchen, garlic has earned a reputation as one of nature's most remarkable plants because of its nutritional value and long history in traditional medicine. The story of garlic began thousands of years ago in Central Asia, where wild garlic grew naturally in mountainous regions. Early farmers recognized its unique flavor and began cultivating it, eventually spreading garlic through trade routes into the Middle East, Egypt, Europe, and Asia. Ancient Egyptians valued garlic so highly that workers building the pyramids were given garlic as part of their daily diet to help maintain their strength and stamina. The Greeks and Romans also admired garlic. Soldiers, athletes, and travelers often consumed it before demanding physical activities, believing it provided energy and endurance. Over the centuries, garlic became deeply woven into the traditions, cuisines, and cultures of civilizations around the world. Today, garlic is cultivated in more than 150 countries, making it one of the world's most important vegetable crops. It is used not only in home kitchens but also in restaurants, food processing industries, spice manufacturing, pharmaceuticals, and nutritional products. Countries such as China, India, Bangladesh, Egypt, South Korea, Spain, and Argentina produce millions of tons of garlic every year. For millions of farmers, garlic provides an important source of income because it has a high market value, stores well, and is in constant demand throughout the year. Its influence reaches far beyond agriculture. It connects farming, science, health, culture, and global trade. From ancient civilizations to modern farms, garlic has traveled an extraordinary journey through history. But how does a single garlic clove grow into a full bulb beneath the soil? What farming techniques help produce the high-quality garlic sold around the world? Every remarkable garlic bulb begins with a single clove. Unlike many crops that are grown from seeds, garlic is propagated by planting healthy cloves taken from mature bulbs. Farmers carefully select the largest and healthiest cloves because they are more likely to produce stronger plants and larger harvests. Before planting, the soil is deeply prepared. Garlic thrives in loose, fertile, well-drained soil rich in organic matter. Compost and natural fertilizers are often added to improve soil quality and provide essential nutrients. Each clove is planted with its pointed end facing upward, about 5 to 8 centimeters deep, leaving enough space between plants for healthy bulb development. As the cloves disappear beneath the soil, the long journey toward a new garlic harvest begins. After planting, nature quietly takes over. The clove absorbs moisture from the soil and begins developing tiny roots. Soon, green shoots emerge above the surface while a complex network of roots spreads below. Over the following months, the plant captures sunlight through its long green leaves, converting energy into food through photosynthesis. While the leaves continue growing above ground, something even more fascinating happens underground. Layer by layer, the original clove transforms into a completely new garlic bulb. Each new bulb gradually develops multiple cloves wrapped in protective papery skin. This hidden transformation continues for several months until the bulb reaches full maturity. Growing premium quality garlic requires constant care and attention. Farmers regularly irrigate their fields, especially during dry periods, while avoiding excessive watering that can damage developing bulbs. Modern drip irrigation systems help deliver water directly to the roots, conserving water and improving crop health. Throughout the growing season, farmers remove weeds that compete for nutrients and monitor fields for pests and diseases such as fungal infections, onion thrips, and bulb rot. Today, many commercial farms use agricultural drones, soil sensors, weather forecasting, and satellite technology to monitor crop conditions and maximize yields. These modern farming techniques help produce healthier garlic while reducing environmental impact. Several months after planting, the green leaves begin turning yellow and drying naturally, a clear sign that the garlic bulbs have reached maturity. Farmers carefully loosen the soil before lifting each bulb from the ground to avoid damage. Freshly harvested garlic is then placed in well-ventilated areas to cure for several weeks. During this curing process, excess moisture evaporates, the outer skin hardens, and the bulbs develop the long shelf life that makes garlic ideal for storage and transportation. Every successful harvest marks the end of one growing cycle, and the beginning of garlic's journey to markets around the world. A garlic bulb may look simple, but behind every harvest lies months of careful planning, skilled farming, and the quiet work of nature beneath the soil. The journey of garlic does not end when it is harvested. After weeks of careful curing, the garlic bulbs are transported from farms to modern processing facilities, where advanced technology prepares them for markets around the world. The first stage is cleaning. Specialized machines gently remove soil, loose roots, dried leaves, and damaged outer layers without harming the bulbs. Next, the garlic moves along automated conveyor belts where optical cameras and sorting systems inspect every bulb for size, color, shape, and overall quality. Only the finest garlic continues to the next stage. Premium bulbs are selected for supermarkets and export markets, while smaller bulbs are sent for food processing. Not all garlic is sold fresh. A significant portion is processed into products used every day by homes and food industries worldwide. Some garlic bulbs are peeled automatically before being chopped, sliced, minced, or crushed. Others are carefully dried to produce garlic flakes, garlic granules, garlic powder, garlic paste, and garlic oil, ingredients commonly used in sauces, seasonings, soups, snacks, frozen meals, and ready-to-cook foods. Modern factories use stainless steel equipment, robotic packaging systems, quality control laboratories, and temperature-controlled storage rooms to ensure freshness, hygiene, and food safety. Each package is sealed, labeled, and prepared for shipment across the globe. Once packaged, garlic begins another incredible journey. Refrigerated trucks transport it to distribution centers, while cargo ships and freight trains carry millions of tons of garlic across international borders. Within days, fresh garlic reaches supermarkets, restaurants, food manufacturers, and local markets in countries around the world. Whether it is used in Italian pasta, Chinese stir-fries, Indian curries, Middle Eastern dishes, Mexican salsa, or homemade soups, garlic has become one of the most universal ingredients in global cuisine. Its rich aroma and distinctive flavor have made it an essential part of countless traditional and modern recipes. Globe showing Europe Africa amazing facts about garlic. China produces more garlic than any other country in the world. A single garlic bulb usually contains 8 to 20 cloves, depending on the variety. Garlic belongs to the allium family, together with onions, leeks, shallots, and chives. Fresh garlic can remain usable for several months when stored under cool, dry conditions. Garlic is one of the most widely traded spice and vegetable crops in the international food market. From fertile farmland to advanced processing plants and finally to dinner tables across the globe, garlic completes an extraordinary journey that connects farmers, technology, and billions of people. But what makes garlic so valuable? How many different varieties exist? And why has it remained one of the world's most important crops for thousands of years? Garlic is far more than a flavorful ingredient. For thousands of years, it has been valued in cultures around the world for both its culinary and nutritional qualities. Garlic contains a variety of important nutrients, including vitamin C, vitamin B6, manganese, selenium, calcium, potassium, dietary fiber. One of garlic's most remarkable natural compounds is allicin, which is released when fresh garlic is crushed or chopped. Allicin is responsible for garlic's distinctive aroma and has been widely studied for its biological properties. Garlic also contains antioxidants that help protect the body's cells from oxidative stress. Because it is naturally low in calories while providing valuable nutrients, garlic can be part of a healthy and balanced diet. Although garlic may appear simple, there are many different varieties grown around the world. Softneck garlic. Softneck garlic is the most commonly cultivated type. It has a long shelf life and is widely sold in supermarkets. Its flexible stem also makes it ideal for decorative garlic braids. Hardneck garlic. Hardneck garlic produces a stiff central stalk and usually develops fewer but larger cloves. It is known for its rich, complex flavor and is popular among chefs and home gardeners. Elephant garlic. Despite its name, elephant garlic is closely related to leeks rather than true garlic. It produces very large bulbs with a mild, sweet flavor. Purple striped garlic. Recognizable by its beautiful purple striped skin, this variety offers a rich taste and grows well in cooler climates. Black garlic. Black garlic is created by slowly aging fresh garlic under carefully controlled heat and humidity. This process transforms its flavor into a sweet, soft, and slightly tangy ingredient that is highly valued in gourmet cooking. Today, garlic is grown in more than 150 countries and plays a vital role in global agriculture. China is the world's largest producer, followed by countries such as India, Bangladesh, Egypt, South Korea, Spain, and Argentina. Every year, millions of tons of garlic are harvested to supply supermarkets, restaurants, food manufacturers, and export markets across the globe. Garlic is a key ingredient in countless cuisines, including Mediterranean, Chinese, Indian, Middle Eastern, Mexican, Korean, and European cooking. Its unique flavor has helped make it one of the most widely used ingredients in the history of food. Globe showing Europe-Africa amazing facts about garlic. Garlic has been cultivated for over 5,000 years. A single garlic bulb can contain 8 to 20 cloves, depending on the variety. Garlic belongs to the allium family along with onions, leeks, shallots, and chives. Fresh garlic can be stored for several months under cool, dry conditions. Millions of tons of garlic are traded globally every year, making it one of the world's most valuable vegetable crops. From ancient civilizations to modern kitchens, garlic has remained one of humanity's most trusted and versatile crops. But what does the future hold for garlic farming? How are scientists and farmers using technology to improve garlic production while protecting the environment? As the world's population continues to grow, the demand for garlic is increasing every year. Garlic is no longer just a traditional crop, it has become an essential part of global agriculture and the international food industry. To meet this growing demand, farmers are adopting advanced agricultural technologies that make garlic farming more productive, efficient, and environmentally friendly. Today, many garlic farms use GPS-guided tractors, agricultural drones, AI-powered crop monitoring, satellite imaging, soil sensors, and smart drip irrigation systems to improve crop health while reducing water and fertilizer use. Scientists are also developing improved garlic varieties that can resist diseases, tolerate drought, adapt to changing climates, and produce higher yields. These innovations are helping farmers grow healthier garlic while protecting natural resources for future generations. Despite remarkable technological progress, garlic farming still faces many serious challenges. Climate change has brought unpredictable rainfall, prolonged droughts, extreme temperatures, floods, and stronger storms that can reduce garlic production. Farmers must also protect their crops from fungal diseases, bacterial infections, pests, weeds, and soil-borne pathogens. Rising production costs, labor shortages, water scarcity, and increasing global food demand continue to place pressure on garlic producers. However, through innovation, scientific research, and generations of farming experience, millions of dedicated farmers continue to overcome these challenges and provide high-quality garlic to people around the world. At first glance, garlic may seem like a simple bulb hidden beneath the soil. But behind every clove lies an extraordinary story of history, agriculture, science, and human civilization. For more than 5,000 years, garlic has traveled alongside humanity, feeding families, enriching cultures, supporting farmers, and becoming one of the world's most valuable crops. Its journey begins with a single clove planted in fertile soil. With sunlight, water, patience, and months of careful cultivation, that tiny clove transforms into a healthy bulb filled with new cloves. After harvesting, curing, processing, packaging, and transportation, garlic finally reaches kitchens across the globe, where it brings rich flavor and tradition to millions of meals every single day. From ancient civilizations to modern smart farms, garlic continues to connect nature, technology, and people in one remarkable journey. It reminds us that even the smallest crops can have an enormous impact on the world. The story of garlic is a story of resilience, innovation, and the dedication of millions of hardworking farmers. Every bulb represents months of careful cultivation, centuries of agricultural knowledge, and the continuous advancement of modern farming technology. The next time you cook a meal, remember the incredible journey that garlic has taken, from a single clove beneath the soil to your kitchen table. Thank you for joining us on this incredible journey through the amazing story of garlic. If you enjoyed this documentary and learned something new, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more amazing documentaries about food, farming, agriculture, history, and the natural world. Until next time, stay curious, stay inspired, and thank you for watching.